Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the quick method to register for a Fifth Third Bank account step by step. Whether you want to open a checking, savings, or business account, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Fifth Third Bank website. Go to the official Fifth Third Bank website by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Open an Account button. Step 2. Choose your account type. You will be presented with various account options. Select the type of account you want to open: checking, savings, or any other option that suits your needs. Click on Open Now under your chosen account type. Step 3. Start the application process. After selecting your account type, you will be redirected to the application page. Here, you'll find important information about the account. Click on the Apply Now button to begin the registration process. Step 4. Provide personal information. Fill out the required fields with your personal information. This typically includes your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and contact information. Ensure all details are accurate and up to date. Step 5. Set up identification. You may need to upload identification documents for verification purposes. This could include a driver's license or passport. Follow the prompts to upload your documents securely. Step 6. Create online banking credentials. Create your online banking username and password. Make sure to choose a strong password that meets the security requirements set by Fifth Third Bank. This will allow you to manage your account online later. Step 7. Review and submit your application. Before finalizing your application, review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once everything is correct, click on the Submit button to complete your account registration. Step 8. Confirmation and accessing your account. After submitting your application, you should receive a confirmation email. It may take a few minutes for your account to be set up. Once confirmed, you can log into your online banking account using the credentials you created. Don't forget to check your email for any additional information that Fifth Third Bank may send you regarding your new account. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to quickly register for a Fifth Third Bank account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.